Hello Dollface, it's Kat here, and as you can tell, I have completely blonde hair again, which means it is time to dye it all over. We are going to try a new shade of pink today. Now, I know the lime crime shade is probably the perfect shade still so far, but I'm still on the hunt. I want to see them all. I want to know what they all look like, so I know for future reference which pink I'm going to be forever. So today we're going to go in with the brand Good Dye Young. Now this brand is by Hayley Williams of Paramore, and if you guys were emo or anything, you know that her hair was like everything back in the day. If you wanted, everyone wanted red orange hair, like everybody did. Well, she made her own hair dye company, and I think that's super cool because like she was known for all the hair colors she would have, and like me being a former emo kid, I had to try this out, and when I saw it was at Sally's, I lost my mind. Also, like, it's from Nashville, like, because they're from Nashville, and I'm going to Nashville next week to see my sister, so, like, it just felt right. So I was really excited, because I'm just, excited. It's vegan, cruelty-free, so that's super dope. So if you are a cruelty-free person or vegan, you can use these dyes. That's really awesome. But I am so excited to try this out. It is in the shade X Girl, so let's get started and put our gloves on and get ready to go. I don't know what I'm doing. So let's start off. Let's brush your hair. Make sure you get all those knots out. This will help give it a more even application. I hate brushing my hair, but you gotta do it. Alright, so my hair is all brushed, and let's start mixing up our dye. Okay, so normally you would use a white conditioner when doing this, but your girl just is out. I thought I had some. I don't. Now, honestly, it doesn't really make a difference if your conditioner is colored. It doesn't change the dye or anything. It just makes it so you can't see the color you're mixing better, which, like, sucks, but honestly, I don't care. As long as it's pink, I'm good. So I'm just going to use whatever conditioner I have left and pour it into a bowl. You basically just want enough that will cover your head. That's basically what you're going for. You just want to use a bowl, something you don't care that gets dirty. I'm using a Taco Bell lid, but I just put enough that I think will cover my hair. And then we're going to go in with our dye. Ooh, I'm so excited. I am so excited for this. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's a little silver squeeze tube. That's nice. Do I need to peel it off? Yes, I do. Alright. Let me peel that. Ooh, it's got a really, like, it's kind of blue based. You see that? That's a really nice, like, cool toned blue, pink. Alright, I see you. I'm going to add a little bit to my dye. I'm going to go about that much, I think, for this. Just enough to get a pigment, but, like, not too pigment. We're not going for a bright pink. We're going for a pastel pink here. So, we're going to add that to your conditioner. And we're just going to start mixing it in with a spoon. Now, since my conditioner kind of a blue tone, it is pulling a little purple in the bowl. But again, with the actual dye itself, it's not going to do that. It's going to be more pink. So it's going to look a little confusing. But right now, the color kind of reminds me of the Arctic Fox color that I did, which isn't my normal shade of pink. I do like a pinky, like I do like what Lime Crimes was, and this is a more of a purpley one. But like, let's see what happens. We'll see what it looks like once it's on, and let's just cover this hair. I like to work my hair in about inch portions, and I kind of just conditioner it in. I just kind of build it all up in my hair. So I smother it by inch and make sure everything's coated. Yeah, see, in the hair, it's pulling more pink. So, just, don't be alarmed. If you do use a conditioner that's not white, it's still going to dye your hair. And then once you kind of have everything covered, I really just go through again, really making sure that I've got it all blended into all the hair, because I really don't want any patchiness through it. Sometimes I'm lazy and I skip this step, but if you want an even hair, you should really do this to make sure it's just everything's kind of coated. And then once the entire head is coated, I'm just going to wrap it up on top of my head and then tie it up in a baggie so I'm free to move around the house. And then I'll meet you guys back here in a little bit and we'll see what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is very bright. I know I normally go for a pastel color, but I'm kind of neon and I'm kind of not mad at it. Yeah, I'm actually feeling it. I feel like this is going to be perfect for when I go to the festival on Sunday, going to Second Sky Fest. And so if you see a neon pink haired girl, that was me. Yeah, but I am kind of really digging it. I'm not mad. Like, it's not what I was expecting, but like, it's cute. Like, hello, little neon moment. I actually really like this shade of pink though. Like, this is a really pretty shade of pink. So I don't know. Oh God, every time I dye it, I keep falling in love with another color. I do really like how this one came out though. Like, I'm here for it. Like, yes, yes, yes. Bring on the neons this summer. Like, I don't know. I'm feeling it. Like, neon for summer. But yeah, no, I love it. I actually am a big fan. Like, the dye was really nice. It worked really well. I left it on my hair for about an hour and a half. So, like, this is really good pigment for that. Because I didn't add that much dye to my mix. But, like, oh my God, look how pretty this color is. Like, I'm sorry, I just can't stop looking at it. Because it's so freaking pretty. I love it. I love it. Like, hi, yes, I'm neon now. Like, but yeah, no, I feel really, really good. I really like it. I am a big fan of the color. So, like, let me know down below what you think of this hair color. If you think that neon is my new thing, or should I just stay with the pastels? We'll see. It's fun to change it up, you know? This was really cool, though. I was very excited to use Hayley Williams hair dye finally, because I know I've seen it online, but, like, I never like buying things online because shipping, and that's funny because literally my last hair dye was from online. But you know what I mean, like, it gets so expensive, but like to get it at Sally's was like super dope. It's like $20, which is a little pricey, but then again, like, I have like this much left of this dye, so I can keep dyeing it this color if I want to later on. But I am going to be trying a different brand next time, so please comment down below what brand you want to see me try next time, because there are so many pink hair dyes out there, guys, and we've only gotten through 3. So we gotta get on it. I gotta get like on it, but then again, I like gotta give my hair a break, you know. I let it fade like naturally, so these take maybe like a month, like about 2 months to kind of get rid of or fade, just kind of being careful. I wash my hair once a week. So like Lime Crime lasted me about like 2 months, but then I dyed it again, so using the same color because I wanted it for something. But yeah, no, I really like this color. I'm a big fan. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'd be really, really rad of you guys. I hope you stay lovely. Bye!